to pair your JBL Go 4 over Bluetooth to your phone. If it's the first time you use it, the only thing you need to do is to power it on. You will hear two things. This, meaning that it's now turned on, and this, meaning that it's looking for a Bluetooth device. If it's not doing it, you can hit that Bluetooth button over here to enter into pairing mode. Once you are into pairing mode, reach the Bluetooth settings of your phone. This might vary from a phone to another, and look for the JBL Go 4 just right here. Select it and you will hear this chime, meaning that they are now paired together. So you can start using it. I hope this was helpful.